Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I filmed a soft glam makeup tutorial. Obviously now restaurants are starting to open and stuff like that, and I thought this is the perfect look for if you're going to a restaurant for food, going shopping with your friends maybe, or anything like that. I thought this is it's so simple as well, it's quite easy, and I'm really proud of this look. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment any video ideas because that would really help me out. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So before I've done anything, I've done my skincare routine. I'll link that in the description, as well as the last video I filmed, which was a haul. Be sure to check them out. Now I'm going to start off by priming my face. I like to use two primers. I really like primers. I think they're an absolute must-have when doing your makeup, especially for me who have quite young skin. Then you should definitely prime. It's going to make your makeup last so much longer, make your makeup not look cakey, and also if you get a silicone one, a bit like this Benefit Professional, which I believe is silicone primer, it is going to infill your pores, therefore your pores won't enlarge and create more spots. It's just all round a good thing to do. So I'm just going to start off with the Avon Magic Set and Prep Spray. I love this. I love this for keeping my makeup on because it's really tacky, so you know that your makeup is going to stick to your face. It's not going to like fall off and go like sweat off your face. I also think that this gives you a lovely glow on your face underneath your makeup. It makes it look really like glowy and like natural. Look at that. Now it feels really like nice and tacky, and I just love it. I was going to use the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer, but there's nothing left in it, so I'm just going to have to use the Body Shop Instablur primer instead, which I really like this primer. It is really good, and this is just gonna infill all your pores to make sure that your makeup doesn't go in your pores and create spots, and also doesn't make your makeup look cakey. You should always have a primer. Now for foundation, I am going to be doing foundation today. I don't do foundation very often, but because I'm doing a soft glam, I thought I may as well. I'm just going to be using the L'Oreal True Match. I don't think this is going to be my shade 1 Squirt. I really love that foundation. Just going to take the Spectrum BO1 brush and blend it all over my face. But now I'm going to take another pump of this, and I'm also going to add the Body Shop Lightning Drop, just because it's a bit too dark for my skin colour, but I can blend it down my neck so it should look good. Always blend your foundation down your neck. Now I'm just going to take the Spectrum AO1 brush, like one of these big brushes, and just go over my face and make sure that everything is blended out, because we don't like it when your foundation looks splotchy, because it is not a good look. When I do my makeup, I don't like to do foundation and concealer. I like to do one or the other. I just don't think I need both of them together. It's unnecessary for my skin, and it's just adding more product to my face, which doesn't need to be there. So I'm going to be using the Revolution Colour Spectrum palette for my powder, which if you've watched my everyday makeup routine, you'll know I love this. Like, I really recommend it. So I'm just going to be taking these two like powder shades by here and just powdering my entire face with it. So now for contour bronzer, I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer, which I love. And I just love it. I just like to take this big fan brush from Revolution and just Now for my favourite part of makeup, blush. So now I'm going to be taking this Revolution Blush Dream palette. And I'm just going to take this Revolution brush. I'm going to take this like baked blush slash highlight on the apples of my cheeks. And now I'm going to be using another Revolution palette. We're just going to take like this white yellowy shade. But just look how lovely these are. Just love these shades. I'm taking a Spectrum A10 brush. I'm just going to go on my cheekbones. Wow, wow. Now for eyeshadow. So I'm thinking I'm going to go a little bit more glam with the eyeshadow. Maybe do like a cut crease or something. Something a little bit different for me. So I'm just going to take the Revolution Focus and Fix Eye Primer. I really like this. I'm going to take a little bit on both of my eyes. I'm going to set the primer with the Revolution Colour Spectrum eyeshadow palette, which I also love so much. And I'm going to take that shade by there, I think. I'm going to take the Spectrum A18 brush for this and just set my entire eye with it, I guess. So now I'm going to be taking the Soap X Revolution, you can see me, eyeshadow palette. I love this. I love it so much, as you can tell. And I'm just going to take the shade Cookie Dough. I was going to say Cocoa Dough then, no, Cookie Dough. And I'm just going to use it as a transition shade. And I know this looks a bit extreme at the moment, but once you've blended it out, it'll look okay. Take my Spectrum A06 brush and I'm just going to blend out the transition shade, which, as you can see, once you start to blend it out, it looks much better. But the one thing I really love about Soap's palette is that it's really pigmented. So now it's blended out. So now I'm going to take more of like a crease shade, like to get right in the crease. And I'm going to take the shade Cheesecake from her palette. I'm just gonna apply it right in. Cut my crease. I'm going to be taking the eye primer again. You can use a concealer, but I just prefer this. It's a really it's quite tinted anyway, so this will do. And because it makes the shimmer stay on for longer as it's a primer. I'm just going to take this brush, a unique brush, cream eyeshadow brush. I'm going to be taking this Misguided palette. I haven't used that much, but the shades in there are really pretty. And I'm going to take the shade Babe, and I'm going to take the same brush that I used with my concealer. One tip I have for a lot of you as well is never do dark colours inside, like by here in your eye. It is not a clever idea. You should always do dark shades on the outer of your eye, as it will give your eye the illusion of it being smaller and enclosed, whereas if you do a light colour by here, it elongates your eye. I'm going to take the colour Brownies, and I'm just going to take it on the outer corner again, because this is a really dark colour. And I'm just going to take it on the outer corner like I said, because it will elongate your eye. Now for mascara, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. I love this. It's like really like makes your eyelashes look really long. Okay, so now for eyebrows, use this Ted Baker wand spoolie thing and just brush out my eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm going to take the MAC Perfect Brow Gel Pot, my favourite brow product, and I'm just going to take this random brush. Just going to take the Victoria's Secret lip gloss in the shade Candy Baby and just put it on my lips. So this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment any video ideas because that would really help me out. See you very soon. Bye!